Editing course sections. If we turn the editing on in our course from the menu or the button Turn Editing On, we can quickly rename our sections from, for example, Topic 1 to a name that's relevant to us by clicking the pencil icon, typing in a new name and pressing Enter. If we click Edit and then Edit Topic, we can also add a summary of this section using the formatting available. If I click Save Changes at the bottom, you can see that the topic section has been renamed and its name is also reflected in the nav drawer on the left. It's possible with the editing turned on to move sections, so we could move Topic 2, which is not yet renamed, up above Topic 1, which has been renamed to Reading. To delete a section, we click the bin icon from the menu on the right of the section. Remember, this will also delete any activities in that section, but you can get them back again from the Recycle Bin link in the Gear menu. This usually only appears once you've deleted something, depending on your administrator's settings. This course has 3 sections. We can add one or more new sections quickly at the bottom by clicking the plus and deciding how many sections we want. If I click the plus here, add one section, we now have 4 sections in our course.